The city of Waco is excited to launch a Texas-sized 2-day celebration to commemorate the reopening of the iconic Waco Suspension Bridge. First, join us on Friday, April 21st at Indian Spring Park for the return of the Brazos Nights concert series featuring performances by Asleep at the Wheel, Jackie Venson, and Mariachi Azteca Waco. The evening will also include a spectacular aerial light display over the Brazos River with 150 drones lighting up the night. Following Brazos Nights, the official ribbon-cutting ceremony celebrating the grand reopening of the suspension bridge begins at 11 a.m. on Saturday, April 22nd. The ceremony will conclude with a symbolic longhorn cattle drive across the bridge with food and festivities. Originally constructed in 1870, the suspension bridge is a state historic landmark. For the past 2 years, the bridge has been closed to the public to undergo a $14 million renovation project. A multitude of structural enhancements, including new support systems, decking, and cables, were made to ensure the bridge is preserved for generations to come. So join us on April 21st and 22nd to celebrate the grand reopening of our Waco treasure. For more information about the Suspension Bridge ribbon-cutting ceremony and upcoming performances for the monthly Brazos Nights concert series, visit brazosnightswaco.com. The Waco Airport Terminal Modernization Project is making steady progress. Phase 1 of the project, which includes the security portal, Gate 1, and the bathrooms on the secure side of the airport, is expected to be complete this spring. Phase 2 is currently underway, including the baggage claim area and the public bathrooms. Demolition in the lobby area is nearly complete, and construction teams are working overnight to complete the flooring phases to minimize the disruption to customers. The City of Waco is collaborating with Creative Waco to commission 4 art pieces. 2 art pieces are currently in production, and the other 2 will be presented to City Council for approval later this summer. The project remains on track for completion this fall. For more information on the Waco Airport Modernization Project, visit waco-texas.com/flywwacotransformed.